Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through pairing your motorized roller shade with a Remote Plus. Before we begin, here's everything you'll want to have ready: a Remote Plus, a USB-C cable, a charging block, and a paperclip. Let's quickly review the remote buttons and functions. On the front, you'll find 3 or 4 buttons, depending on the style of remote you have. The up arrow raises the shade. The down arrow lowers the shade. The center button stops movement and can also be used to set favorite positions. The small button at the bottom is the channel selection button, which lets you switch between shades. The 5 red dots are the channel indicators and show which channel is selected. On the back of the remote, there is a small pairing button that can be pressed using a paperclip or pin. Before pairing, remove any tape or packaging that may prevent the shade from lowering. Also, make sure to remove the battery pull tab from the remote before getting started. This will power on the remote so it is ready for pairing. To begin, plug the charging block and cable into an outlet. Then, connect the USB-C end to the motor's USB-C port. A green light should turn on, indicating that the shade is awake and charging. You can now unplug the charging cable from the shade. Next, unfold the paperclip. Then, short press the small program button located near the shade's charging port. The shade will begin stepping up and down, indicating that shade's pairing mode is active. After, press the pairing button on the back of the remote. The shade will stop stepping, confirming that the remote has been paired to the shade. Now short press the program button on the motor again to exit pairing mode. Your shade and remote are now paired and ready to be used. Test the remote by pressing the down arrow once and allowing the shade to lower completely. For additional help or technical support, refer to the paperwork included with your shade.